How to fix iPhone front camera not working. Well, hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video today, I'll guide you through the steps on how you can fix your front camera not working on an iPhone. Well, first things first, what you can do is if it is not working, you can always restart your iPhone. Toggle it off and then turn it back. You can also reset all your settings. You can also update. If it is still not working, head over to settings and make sure that you are updated to the latest version. So head into settings, then general, then software update. And here you can see if your iPhone isn't updated to the latest iOS version, make sure to update it. Now, if it is the issue with the hardware or that your camera lens is dirty, you might want to clean it and then force close and relaunch the camera app. If it still doesn't help, then unfortunately you might have to visit the nearest store, as it might be the hardware issue instead of a software one. So hope this video was helpful. To like and subscribe as well.